So the next thing that you are finding is what you may have an idea of. So we're going to look at the mode and the range, as well as the median and the mean from the data given with us. So what I've done here is, in the question you'll be given the information like this here above, like this, only this information here. This is what you'll be given in the question. So this information is ungrouped data. The reason why it's ungrouped data, because it's only given as numbers like this, as only digits like this. We have nothing to do with the frequency, all those issues like the class limit. We don't have those things. That's why it is ungrouped data. When you're given just numbers like this, it's called and so from this ungrouped data, when you want to solve anything to do with ungrouped data, you need first of all to arrange your data or your work in ascending order. So you begin with the smallest number, end with the biggest number. So as you can see, 1 is the smallest from this data, and 10, it is the highest in this data given before us. So how the mode? So when you rearrange the numbers like this in a order, the mode means the most appearing figure is what the mode is. So when you check here, the most appearing number or value or figure is 1, because 1 is appearing 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is only appearing thrice, 4 twice, 5 thrice, 6 twice, and 10 twice. So 1 is appearing 4 times. So our mode, so you see our mode is equal to 1. So that's how you find the mode. How do you find the range? The range is given when you subtract the highest value minus the lowest value of the data set given. So as you can see, from this given information, the highest value that you have is 10 and the lowest is 1. So to find the mode, you subtract the highest value minus the lowest. So from this data, you'll be given different numbers. You need just to know which one is the highest, which one is the lowest from that given set of the data that you're given. So the highest value here on finding the range, the highest value is 10 minus the smallest is 1. So here our range of this data set is 9. So this is how simple you find the range. Then let's go to the median. How do you find the median? So the median is the middle number of the data set. So when you're given ungrouped data, first of all you have to rearrange it in order, as I have done. So to find the median, you have to look at the middle number of the data set. That's what the median is. The median, this word comes from the word middle, so the one that is on the middle. So let's count the numbers and we find the number that is on the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16. So 16 is our total figure. So somewhere 8. So let's count 8 from left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here from the right, which this is from the left, from the right it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are here. So the middle number that you are looking for, it is between these two numbers. That's where the middle number is. So what we do is you add the two numbers, then you divide by 2. This is 8 divided by 2, you get 4. So this is our median. So if you find that two numbers, they happen to appear to be on the middle, you add the two numbers, you divide by 2. But there are some cases, example, like if you're given a data set like 1, 2, 3, let's say 5, 9, let's say 10, something that is like this. If you're given a data set that is like this, it's easier to find the middle number, because from here, this is what we are given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're given 7. 7 divided by 2, you get about 3. So you count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So your middle number is what? Is 5. So here our median, if it was this question, is equal to 5. That's how I find the median. But in the case where it appeared to be two numbers to be on the middle, you add the two numbers like the way we did here, you divide by 2 to have the median. So this is how you find the median, like that. So the next thing that we are going to look at is how you find the mean. So finding the mean from the data set given, which is this one, is more like we have to find the average. So finding the average or finding the mean is you add all these numbers, divide by the total. So we will say the mean is equal to sum over total. The total number, the total is the number, how many digits are we given. So that's what our n is presenting. So the sum is the sum of the digits. This is the sum of the digits. So you're going to add all these numbers. So you get your calculator and you begin to add. You add them. So you put 1 plus 1. You add the numbers like that. Plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10. You get your 65. So this is the sum of the digits that were given. So what we do is we put our 65 here, divide by the total number is how many are these figures, how many are they. So you count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16. So you indicate here and put 16. Then you divide by your answer, which is 65. I divide by 16. You get 4.0. Get 4.0625. So 4.1, if you were to say, if you round off, you get 4.1. So this one will be our mean in our case. So this is the way how you may have to solve given such equation. So the numbers that I've used here, these are simple numbers. You will be given bigger numbers, complicated numbers, but the same way you have to find it. This is how you may have to get the correct answers for the particular question.